Hi, I'm Cade Harris, owner and inventor of the original keyless handle, RVLock. Welcome to the family. Today we'll be installing the Charter handle. The Charter handle was designed to replace Class C as well as some Class A motorhome handles. If you have verified compatibility at RVLock.com, then most installs should take about 10 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. With your door in the open position, remove the screws on the handle backplate and the two located on the side panel of your door. Then remove your mechanical handle. Clean any residue and dirt from your door. Carefully feed the Charter's wiring through your door, followed by the front portion of your handle. Slide it securely into place. Connect the back plate to the front and gently tuck away any wires into the existing opening. Then align your deadbolt and your handle levers. Once aligned, secure the back plate with the 3 included screws. Do not use a drill and be sure not to over-tighten. Install the 2 side panel screws to set the handle into place. Verify that both internal levers actuate your handle. If there's friction or your levers don't actuate, then adjust the alignment. To program, begin by removing the battery pull tab. Turn the switch to on to allow your remote fob to be programmed. To program your fob, use a pen and press the Learn button on the back plate. Then, press the lock button on your fob until the deadbolt responds. To program your new key code, press and hold the code reset button on the back of your handle for about 5 seconds or until you hear a beep. Then enter your new code followed by the lock button, and again enter your new code followed by the lock button. This will complete programming. Press and hold the lock button to engage the quick lock feature. To silence your handle, press and hold down the number 1 button. Repeat to turn sounds back on. If you have issues with your door closing, you may need to adjust the DOT pins using a hex tool. Simply adjust to your required length for the door to close securely. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Charter Class C, Class A handle.